The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on Earth through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection, and it recycles water, so plants, animals, and people always have fresh water. Think of the water cycle like a big circle that never stops. Sunlight warms rivers, lakes, and oceans and turns some water into invisible vapor that rises into the sky, which is called evaporation. When that vapor cools high in the air, it turns into tiny drops and makes clouds, and that change is called condensation. When the drops and clouds join together and get heavy enough, they fall as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, which is called precipitation, and then the water flows back into rivers, lakes, and the ground, ready to begin the circle again. Students often say that water disappears when it evaporates, but it does not disappear, it just changes from liquid to gas, and stays in the cycle. Remember that vapor can later form clouds and fall back as precipitation. Another common idea is that only oceans supply evaporation, while actually lakes, rivers, soil, and even plants release water into the air through evaporation and transpiration. So think of many water sources working together. A third mistake is thinking clouds are made of a single big drop, instead of millions of tiny drops or ice crystals, and picturing lots of small drops helps understand why clouds can float and then release precipitation when drops combine and grow. Visit www.gumballdegree.com to find more videos and resources on the water cycle.